Hello everyone and welcome to the Druid's Den. I'm Dylan and this is my tiny home delivery. Okay, so I was looking for a nice shed to use as a shell to build a tiny home after spending about a year watching videos and tiny home living. Finally I found the perfect shed, but by the time I went to purchase it, it had already been sold. I thought I had missed my chance, but a few months later it was back on the lot having been repoed. This ended up working in my favor because I got it at a discounted price. It ended up costing about $15,000, $5,000 less than it cost originally. It's a 16 by 50 Dirksen shed, and the gate leading into the property is 17 feet, so it was a really tight fit. We took the gate off and luckily they were able to squeeze through. This was definitely one of the spots I was most worried about. We had to remove some fencing used to keep the cows in, but it wasn't too bad overall. The truck and crew were really awesome, and they had a lot of specialized equipment that made the delivery go smoothly. Still, the shed was being brought pretty deep into the property and through some dense woods, and it took about 3 hours. They said it usually only takes about 30 minutes, so we gave them a $500 tip for their hard work. The property was purchased by my parents about 7 years ago now, and I built out here to be closer and to help them take care of the ranch. They own about 20 acres, so I picked a wooded area pretty deep in and out of the way of the cow pastures. We cut a space out of the woods and got it leveled as best we could, and laid some tarp down to stop anything from trying to grow beneath the shed. Once they got it in place, we used concrete blocks to keep it up off the ground so we could work on plumbing in the future. We used the blocks all throughout the bottom of the shed to make sure the shed was well supported, and added tie downs all around it to protect it from high winds. So now it's all in place and ready for the next step. Here's a look at the inside. We'll be putting in a large room in the back here, as well as the bathroom and laundry room. In the front area, we'll be putting in the kitchen. It also has these two lofts, which will probably end up being used for storage. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. More videos of each step of the build and the finished product will be here soon. Thanks for watching.